left behind. Lenovo smartphone is like having Kobe right in your pocket. With Kobe Bryant as pitchman and popular movie product placements, China's Lenovo is aiming for a younger, cooler customer. 8 years after reshaping the PC landscape by buying IBM's money-losing ThinkPad division, Lenovo is now, at least publicly, de-emphasizing the dusty old desktop.
In the past, we are very much focused on the PC product, desktop notebook. But today we are entering a new area called PC Plus era, which we sell a huge amount of smartphone, tablets.
The Apple Store DNA is quite evident here at this flagship store in Beijing, where it's open, minimalist, and inviting for people to come in from the mall and put their hands on the touchscreens. 你好。
Lenovo is learning from Apple and opening up self-branded stores. What it wants to do is increase its brand influence with consumers and make Lenovo a more recognized brand.
Lenovo currently relies on some 40,000 partner-owned shops, mostly, dare I say, in nerdy computer malls in China. The plan is to take the brand to upscale malls a la Apple.
Fundamentally, I think that the idea is quite similar. You want to have a place people can experience your product freely, without pressure.
While Samsung and Apple dominate the smartphone market globally, Lenovo is actually number 2 behind Samsung in the China market. Chen says it's Lenovo's goal to overtake Samsung in China within 1 to 2 years, with higher-end smartphones like the Android-driven K900.
Chinese consumers see Lenovo as a kind of big brother of Chinese IT, but compared to Apple, it's still not as cool. And Lenovo's brand position is definitely not as high as Samsung's either. Consumers in China still have perception that imported brands have higher quality and service. Chinese brands still have to work hard on these fronts.
Hence the new storefronts that get customers in the world's biggest mobile phone market at least touching and talking about their own homespun brand. Stephen Engel, Bloomberg, Beijing.